Alright, meron na naman tayong bagong i-unbox galing sa aking TikTok shop. So, check the yellow basket sa baba. So, this is, ayan, violin mute to, orchestra mute, and practice mute right here. So, ililink ko kung saan ko siya nakuha sa baba later. Okay, so para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no, especially kung nasa matao kayong lugar, siguro nakatira kayo sa condo or somewhere na maraming tao and you don't want to disturb yung mga kapitbahay nyo, this is a good way to practice. No? So, this is a violin mute. So, malaki siya and you don't want to use this during performances. Usually, nilalagay siya dito. So, ilulusot nyo lang, tapos ganito na yung magiging sound ng violin niya. So, mamamuffle niya or mamamute niya yung sound ng instrument. So, yun yung pagwala. And then, pag may mute, this is how it sounds. Yeah. So, it's not really 100% advisable na mag-practice kayo with a mute. But, if worst comes to worst, di ba? Kunwari, nasa hotel room kayo and you need to practice for an event or whatever function na kailangan nyo mag-practice, pwede siya. But, it's not advisable kasi masasana yung ears mo sa ganung tunog na baka hindi niya nahanapin yung highest quality of sound na kaya mo i-produce, no? But this is a set, kaya meron ako nito. I don't really use one or I don't really need one, but I got it kasi set sila with this one. So this is a new type of orchestra mute or sordine. No, ito yung usually na bibili natin or nakikita natin. So I'm just gonna set this up para pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin. Ayan. So, tinanggal ko lang yung dati kong mute. This one. I think, ito parang 100 pesos din to, no? So, ito around the same price, no? Maybe a little bit higher. Pero, the reason why I got this one kasi madali siyang tanggalin at ikabit compared to this one. Kasi ito medyo maraming proseso yung pagtanggal-kabit niya. Ito, you just slide it on. So, ang pagkakabit niya, ipapasok mo lang siya in between the D and A string. Pag ganyan. Tapos, ikot lang. Yan na, nakakabit na siya. So, yung side na mas may overlap is the one facing the string. So, pag wala, pag hindi siya naka-engage, and then you just slide it over, ayun na. So, hindi siya katulad nito na sobrang laki ng difference. Kasi it's more of an effect thing, no? Ginagamit yung orchestra mute para sa dampening na sound na effect. So, it's easy to put on and off, to engage and disengage. So, slide mo lang. And then, so, ang laki ng difference na nagagawa niya. Medyo bulky but it gets the job done. So, kung gusto nyo nitong mute na to, I'll link it down below. So, click nyo na lang, no? And, yun, maganda may kasama nito. I won't be using this, so maybe giveaway. Tignan natin. Comment kayo. Kapag marami nag-comment, we might just give this away to a lucky subscriber or follower. So, check nyo na lang din. And I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to.